Welcome back, friends. Today we are diving into an amazing chapter summary from Robert Harold Schuller's classic book, Tough Times Never Last, but Tough People Do. This section is like an alphabet of success. I have divided this chapter into two series. First series deal with alphabets from A to K. Here each letter holds a principle that can change the way you think and the way you live. So let's begin this powerful journey. A means affirm. This step is to affirm. Tell yourself, I can do it, I deserve success, I have ability. You see, every person is born with a gift from God. The privilege of deserving to succeed. Nobody is higher than you. Nobody is closer to God's blessing than you. The only difference is whether you affirm it or not. When you affirm, you awaken hidden strength. Even people with limited abilities can surprise the world when they simply believe and affirm themselves. So pause and say it with me. I deserve to succeed and I have the ability to succeed. Then comes B for believe. After affirmation comes belief. Believe that your dream is possible. Believe that somehow, somewhere, some way, sometime, through someone, you can achieve it. It may not happen where you are right now. It may not even happen this year, but belief keeps you moving forward. Without belief, your dream is just a wish. With belief, it becomes a vision. So hold on to your belief even when results are delayed. Then comes C. C for commit. Commitment is the bridge between belief and achievement. Many people affirm, many people believe, but they stop here. Why? Because commitment carries risk. When you commit to a dream, there is a chance you might fail. But here is the truth, failure is not the end. Failure is proof that you dared to try. The real tragedy is when people do not even try. As Schuller says, the one who runs for office and loses is not a failure. The failure is the one who never even files his name because of fear. So commit to your dream, apply for that job, take that course, start that journey. You may fail, but you will win the greatest battle. You defeated fear. Then comes D. D for dare. Now it's time to dare. Dare to try, dare to love, dare to share, dare to risk. Life without risk is no life at all. To laugh is to risk appearing foolish. To love is to risk not being loved in return. To dream is to risk failure. But if you risk nothing, you gain nothing, you live nothing. Remember, the greatest hazard in life is to risk nothing. Only the person who dares is truly free. Then comes E. Educate. Educate yourself. Do not take shortcuts. Do not be lazy with learning. Knowledge is power, and those who prepare themselves with skills and wisdom become the people others look up to. Even if the study feels like a grind, invest in it. Train yourself, retool yourself, keep learning. Because one day your knowledge will open the door for others. Because one day your knowledge will open the door others can't enter. Let's move to F. F means find. Find your hidden potential. Your abilities are like diamonds buried deep underground. They are not always visible, but they exist inside you. Sometimes your greatest opportunity is hidden inside your toughest problem. Maybe your today's hardship is shaping you for a breakthrough tomorrow. So look deeper, find your talent, find your time, find your way. If there is no way, build one. Let's move on to G. G means give. The secret to success is giving. When you live only with the attitude of I want what I want, when I want it, people sense it and they pull away. But when you give, people are drawn to you. There is a story of a thirsty man in the desert who found a jug of water next to a dry pump. A note on it said, pour this water into the pump to get more. And do not forget to refill the jug before you leave. It was a risk. Drink the water now and survive for a while, or give it all away and trust that more will come. The man poured the water into the pump and soon the fresh water gushed out. He refilled the jug for the next traveler. That's life. When you give, you receive back more than you ever imagined. Now comes H, which stands for hope. Hope is holding on, praying expectantly, never giving up. It is the single most powerful healing force. Doctors at international conferences have confirmed it. Hope often keeps people alive when nothing else can. Hope gives you strength when your body is weak. Hope gives you courage when your mind wants to quit. So when life feels dark, whisper this word to yourself. Hope. Now move to I. Imagine. Imagination is the workshop of possibilities. Think of Sir Edmund Hillary. When he first failed to climb Mount Everest, he stood before a giant photograph of the mountain and said, Everest, you cannot get any bigger, but I can. That's the spirit of imagination. Problems may not shrink, but you can grow bigger than them. Imagine yourself succeeding, imagine yourself overcoming, imagine your future, and then walk toward it. Let's move to J, which stands for junk. Junk, the junk food of the mind. Throw away self pity, jealousy, worry, fear, prejudice. These things poison your thoughts, they weaken your spirit. Instead, feed your mind with the hope, love, and positive ideas. People like Chester Hairstone, who faced racial prejudice all his life, choose not to hate. He outlived prejudice by focusing on music, joy, and creativity. That's how you stay strong. You junk the junk and choose what's nourishing. Then comes K, which means knock. Finally, knock out discouragement, depression, and gloom. You may not control everything that happens to you, but you can control your response. Even in sickness, loss, or hardship, you can decide not to give up. Like Margaret Piazza, a famous opera singer who lost her husband and battled cancer. Even after radical surgery left her scarred, she chose to keep performing, keep smiling, keep living. She knocked out despair by focusing on her children, her music, and her God. Her story teaches us knock out negativity before it knocks you out. So, friend, that's the A to K alphabet of winning. Affirm, believe, commit, dare, educate, find, give, hope, imagine, junk, and knock. Each word is a step forward, a piece of the puzzle, a reminder that no matter how tough times may be, you are tougher. Remember, tough times never last, but tough people do. If this inspired you, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more motivational chapter summaries. Until next time, keep affirming, keep believing, and keep moving forward.